So a lot of creators have lost their revenues. They've had like copyright claims. They've had even monetization problems, all because of this one mistake on YouTube. And that is the type of songs they use on their YouTube channel. Now on YouTube, you don't just use any type of songs on your YouTube channel, because there are some songs that are copyrighted, like they have claims. The owners have copyrighted those songs. You cannot use them. You have to use songs that are copyright free on your YouTube channel. This way, it's not going to affect your revenue. It's not going to affect your monetization or anything around that. And I'm going to give you a practical example about a creator who used the wrong song in her video and how it affected her revenue. Now watch this video.
I went ahead to use I used two sounds from CapCut. Now, one of the sounds from CapCut, I noticed that one did not have any issue with YouTube. The second one was what YouTube now flagged, that the owner of that particular sound already placed a claim on that particular song, such that even though it doesn't affect your channel, it will affect your monetization. And you can see the red sign they gave me saying ineligible to earn.
Now imagine having lots of views on a particular video and all of a sudden you can't even receive the earnings from that video because you used the wrong song. That is very, very devastating and frustrating as a creator. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you where you can get copyright-free music, sounds, for your YouTube channel. Like, you're not going to have any issues. Nobody's going to claim that the song used is their music or their sound. And it's totally free because it is from YouTube itself, which is the YouTube audio library. I'm going to guide you through it all step by step and access your YouTube audio library, download these songs for free and use them without any fear of demonetization or having a copyright claim on your YouTube channel or your videos. Without wasting much time, okay, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel for more helpful tutorials and videos like this. Let's just get right into this video. Now, for you to access your YouTube audio library, you're going to come over to your browser. Now, whether you use the Chrome browser or the Safari browser, come over to your browser and type YouTube Creators Studio. So I'm just going to click on it. This is it. I'm going to click on it. Now, it's going to bring you over to this part. Now, you're going to click on Continue to Studio. Now, this is my YouTube Studio desktop site on mobile. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to zoom in. Now, zoom in to this left part where you're going to see like different things. The first one we have is the dashboard. The second is your videos and all of that. Now, if you swipe to the bottom, if you go upwards, you're going to see this music icon. Okay, you're going to see this music icon. Now let me zoom out so that I can see the part I'm talking about. You see, so here is where the music icon is. Now, if this is your YouTube audio library, now you're going to click on it and it's going to take you to your YouTube audio library. Every YouTube channel has this. Every creator has this for themselves. Now, I'm going to show you like two different methods how you can get these audio songs. And choosing the right song is very, very important, because whether you're doing storytelling or you just want to use it as a background music or for your vlog or for gaming and all of that, there is a particular genre of songs or music or sound for you. And I'm going to be showing you like the two different ways you can do it. Now, you can either choose randomly. Now, this is your audio library. Any song you use here is totally free on YouTube. You can use it for your video. Now, you can choose a particular song by clicking on the play icon so you can listen to it and know if you like it for your video or not. Now, let me just play this first one, which is actually you can see like there are different let me zoom out. Okay, you can see the genre. Okay, this is the genre for this one. There's a mood and also the track title. Now I'm going to zoom to the left part. Okay, now you can also see the artist name and the duration of the song and the license type. Now, some of these songs actually require you to give the creator or the owner of the song credits. Now, some of these people, the credit is just like you putting in your description that, okay, this is the owner of the song. Like, it's not like a big deal. You just have to copy and paste the credits into your video description, and that is all you need to do. Why others do not really require you to give credit to the owner of the song, okay? You can just use it for free. Now, the last part you're seeing here is like the date it was added to the YouTube audio library. Now, I'm just going to zoom in a bit or go to the left part, and I'm going to play this first one, which is a country sound or something like that. That's the genre, and it's actually a romantic song. So I'm going to click on this first one. Let's listen to it. Okay, if it's something you like, you can just go ahead, swipe to the left part of your screen, okay, and you're going to see download, and a download icon is just going to pop up whenever you click that particular sound. Okay, whenever you play it, this download icon is going to pop up. Now you can do this for like all of these songs depending on the one you want. Okay, you can see them. This is a rock, as this one is rock. Let me show you. This is rock. This is R&B. Okay, this is like different genre, different one, like, and you can see the mood as well. Okay, you can see the mood here. We have inspiration, we have romantic, we have bright, we have angry, we have calm, so depending on if you're choosing the theme of your video, right, you can decide and choose like the best one that suits your type of content. Okay, but if you don't know, like, once you do this, you can just go over and download, and that is it. It saves automatically to your gallery or to your music playlist or whatever. It saves to your phone, and you can use it and search for the music name or the song name in your editing software, and you're going to see it right there. Now, before downloading any song, okay, do well to come over to this license type so that you can know if the song you want to download needs you to credit the owner or not. Okay, once you come over to this license type, just click on the particular video you want to use, like this first one. Now, let me show you. This is what it says about this particular sound. It says that YouTube audio library license. You can use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribution is required. YouTube may credit the artist and link the audio library from your video. You may not make available, distribute, or perform the music files from this library, separating from YouTube from videos and other content onto which you have incorporated this music file, e.g. standalone distribution of this and all of that. So as you can see, you do not need to credit the artist for this particular sound. You don't need to credit the artist. What you need to do is just to download the song and use it for your video. YouTube will automatically credit the artist and also link the audio library from your video, so you don't need to do a thing. So this is it for this video, but they're trying to tell you that you can't use it, like you taking this sound to like maybe a different platform and all of that. No, it remains on YouTube. As long as the sound you're using is on YouTube, or the videos you're going to be using this sound on is on YouTube, you're very good to go.